Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Shokz OpenFit wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earphones are not connecting to your phone, or they're not syncing with Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting. Any kind of connection or functionality issues can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is just any variety of situations where you want to delete all the pairing history off of them so that you can just go ahead and get a fresh start connecting them to a new device or anything like that. So all we need to do the factory reset on these earphones is to put them in the case as shown here, and then we are going to just come in and simultaneously touch and hold the buttons on the back of each earphone simultaneously and hold it for 15 seconds. So after about 10 seconds, this light here will flash orange for about 5 seconds and then go out. And then we'll switch, and then the light will go into back to its orange-green alternatively flashing, which means basically when the orange goes out, it means it's been reset, and then when the orange and green comes up, that means it's gone back into pairing mode. You can go ahead to your phone or other device and go ahead and pair these earphones as a brand new set of earphones.